Hi everybody, my name is Tommy Cuevas, your personal cloud engineer here at Velosio. And today I'm going to be talking about data breaches. More specifically, I'm going to be talking about email data breaches. So, it's happened. Somebody's email in your organization has been compromised. This is really important because if somebody has access to their email account, it's the same login for any other systems that are connected to their Office or M365 accounts. This includes SharePoint and OneDrive. First thing you want to do, don't panic. Second thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log into the administration website for Microsoft. That is admin.microsoft.com. You're going to go ahead and click on Active Users, and you're going to search for the compromised end user. Once you pull them up, you're going to want to go ahead and block sign-in. This is going to prevent anybody from logging into the account while you make these changes. Then you want to go ahead and log out of all sessions. This will disconnect all devices that are currently connected to that account, including the bad actor. Then you want to reset that end user's password, and you want to send it to them in a secure manner. And if you don't already have it enabled, go ahead and set up multi-factor authentication, or MFA. This adds secondary steps to a login process to prevent bad actors from gaining access to your system. If you're worried about any of these systems being compromised or somebody accessing these systems, Azure Online or Entra ID now does allow logging of information. This includes logins, locations, things along those lines. If you have any questions about securing your accounts or compromised accounts, please feel free to reach out to us at velosio.com. Once again, my name is Tommy Cuevas, your personal cloud engineer, and thank you for watching this video.